Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Azure Synapse Ingestion from ADLS. Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources, while ADLS, or Azure Data Lake Storage, is a cloud-based repository for storing and managing large amounts of unstructured and structured data. In this tutorial we will cover the key concepts and steps involved in ingesting data from ADLS into Azure Synapse. To get started, you need to have an Azure Synapse workspace and an ADLS account set up. First, navigate to the Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Integrate tab. Then click on the New Integration Dataset button. Select Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 as the dataset type and provide the necessary connection details, including the account name and key. Next, create a link service by clicking on the Manage tab and then clicking on the New Link Service button. Select Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 as the link service type and provide the necessary connection details. Once the link service is created, you can create a pipeline to ingest data from ADLS into Azure Synapse. Click on the Integrate tab and then click on the New Pipeline button. Add a copy data activity to the pipeline and select the link service you created earlier as the source. Then, select the dataset you created earlier as the sink and configure the mapping and other settings as needed. You can also add additional activities to the pipeline, such as data transformation and loading, depending on your specific requirements. Best practices for ingesting data from ADLS into Azure Synapse include using the correct data type and format, handling errors and exceptions, and optimizing performance by using techniques such as partitioning and parallel processing. In conclusion, ingesting data from ADLS into Azure Synapse is a straightforward process that can be accomplished by creating a linked service and pipeline in Azure Synapse. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using best practices, you can efficiently and effectively ingest data from ADLS into Azure Synapse and start analyzing and gaining insights from your data.